How's it going, guys? Dylan here at Mellow Vapes of Indianland, coming at you with another new product overview. And I am, of course, talking about the RPM kit from SmokTech. So they advertise it as the real pod mod. And honestly, I mean, you can see it on the packaging there. It is. So here's what we got out of the box. You can see it's a little bit boxier than the Nord was. However, you get a lot more with this. So this is the first pod device, if you will, that I've seen that has variable wattage. I know Voopoo is coming out with their own version of it. This is still my favorite, aesthetically at least, and then functionally it's amazing. So you get two different pods. If you remember the Nord, you had these pods that you could take out, and this one's more of a box shape than it is that wide mouthpiece. It's also a more restricted mouthpiece, which I enjoy. But this is the RPM coil that comes in it. You'll notice that it looks similar to a Nord coil. It's actually a little bit bigger. And this is the standard one that comes fitted with the RPM kit. Now, the resistance of the coil in there is a 0.4 ohm coil, so this is definitely more of a sub-ohm vaping device with the RPM coil in there. However, if we open up the box, you also get a pod that can take Nord coils. So that means you also have the ability to use salt nicotine with this if you would like as well, which is probably the biggest selling point for me, at least, is that you can use both salt and nicotine if you're using the Nord coils, or you can do sub-ohm vaping with the RPM coils, but you have the added benefit of being able to change the wattage, which you can see here. It looks, you get a very similar, so yeah, lock the wattage mode. So if you click both the up and down button down here, you can't really see too much, but it locks the wattage, and then click again, unlocks it. It's 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, just like any other push button device. And then it does have like the number of puffs that you've taken. You can change the background of the screen color. All of the settings for this device are listed in the user's manual, which comes right here. It's actually very straightforward. It's not too overwhelming, but it can go all the way up to 40 watts and as low as 1 watt. So you have so much flexibility with this. If you guys are looking for a versatile device that you can do just about anything with, CBD, salt nicotine, freebase nicotine, this is the device for you. That's about all I have for you guys. If you're looking to pick up an RPM kit, definitely come down to Mellow Vapes of Indianland. And if you haven't already, definitely check us out on Facebook and Instagram and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified anytime we do a new video like this or we're showing off new product. Well, you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.